Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin with safety and the correct electrolytic mix. Put on eye protection and gloves and work in a ventilated area because hydrogen forms. Fill a plastic tub with water and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda per liter. This raises conductivity. Attach the sacrificial anode, plain steel, so it hangs freely and won't touch your part. Connect the negative clamp to the rusted piece and the positive to the anode. Once connected, power on at low current to start reduction of rust. Once electrolysis runs, you monitor both chemistry and mechanical progress. Bubbles indicate reactions, hydrogen forms at the negative piece, so expect sparking gas, don't inhale. Check clamps and terminals for heat, reduce current if you see heavy bubbling or warping. Every 30 to 60 minutes, pause and brush off loosened rust with a nylon or brass brush. This exposes fresh metal to continue reduction. Make sure the electrolyte stays above the parts. If the anode plates up with scale, remove and you finish by turning off power before removing anything. Safety first. Rinse the part thoroughly to remove residual electrolyte, then neutralize with white vinegar or fresh water to stop alkaline residue. Dry immediately and apply a thin oil or primer to prevent flash rust. This protects metal until you recoat or reassemble. If the surface is blackened or pitted, repeat shorter electrolysis cycles rather than increasing current, and if nothing happens, check for poor electrical contact, depleted electrolyte, or an exhausted anode as the likely causes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.